Boosting the Civic Type R. Fucking get through it. That looks fantastic. Whoa. Okay. Ho ho ho. This is humongous, big turbo. It's a massive turbo. It's the size is the same as the Skyline. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, Hoodstig. And yes, today we are finally boosting the Civic Type R. Got the Skyline right here, but you know, hopefully, like, the potential that this car is going to be now, it's going to give that car a real deal match. So basically, yeah man, we're going to be boosting this. Let me get the keys for this car. Let's open this engine up. Let's put it right here. So this is it. So it's all like from the previous videos. People that are new to this video, it's a stock Type R engine with a straight piped M2 Hornet from the right just by the manifold straight to the back. But the next one is going to be boosting the Type R. But just to go from the start again, so this video is sponsored by Max Speeding Rods, and they have provided the turbo kit for this Civic Type R. The delivery has come, it's right in there. I'm going to open it up and show you guys the boost kit. But here's a description and the information about Max Speeding Rods by Jack, and he hit me up. Also, man like Wesel hooked it all up, and here's the plug, and told us about Max Speeding Rods, and they spoke to us, and that's why they're sponsoring this video with the turbo kit they provided. So this car is no longer going to be stock. I mean, it's got an exhaust kit on it, but it's going to transform the whole car now. I've always wanted to boost a Civic Type R, and the time has come. So the delivery has come right now, and this is it. So I don't even know what's inside and what to expect, what turbo it is, but let's get to the bottom of it. One hand, I'm actually quite excited. Bismillah. This is so crazy. This is probably one of the biggest ones we are doing to the car. But fucking get through it. Oh my god, we finally came! Like Toy Stories, I said. Bang! Right. So, it's foam, but I'm gonna have to check all this out one by one and unbox. I think I can feel this. I think it's AR10 oil feed lines, turbo lines. I don't even know, but we'll open it all up. Just give me a sec. Okay, so I've laid it all out the box right now. I think this is possibly the turbo because it's the most heaviest one out of all of it. For some reason, this is it. Max Speeding Rods. So yeah, it's crazy. This is. So let's start off with this. So I've seen this because it just popped out of the bag. So this is AN10. So I'm guessing this is the oil feed, the lines for the turbo feed and stuff like that. So yeah, probably some not bad parts, you know, to be honest. Yeah, then it is from China. Max Speeding Rods are operated in China, and all the parts from China. So you would have thought the parts would be a bit more plastic, but it's not too bad. Very good quality, to be honest. There's this customer gift card. Thank you, Max Speeding Rods, again for sponsoring the video. Big shout out to them. This, I actually don't know what this is, to be honest. Let me open it up. I think this is the pipe work for the turbo, the manifold, one of those two. This is, let's have a look. I think this is, oh wow, beautiful. That looks fantastic, wouldn't you say? So that is a blow-off valve, I believe. Looks pretty nice, to be honest, that does. Good stuff. Comes with a few pipes as well, makes sense. A few gadgets, again, connectors. This also came with a package. This is a boost gauge, I believe. Yeah, air pressure. Yeah, boost gauge. Pretty nice, that is. Okay, very nice. This box right here. Let's have a look at it. Whoa! So that's the intercooler. Wow, that's pretty mint, that is. Nice. Okay. the intercooler. Okay, it's pretty neat again. That's a good quality, that is. I can feel it. It's not very thin or anything like that. Okay, what's this here? Okay, oh wow, so that's the screamer pipe. This is what's gonna make the flames go pow 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 pow. Pretty sick, mashallah. Very nice product this is. Okay, moving on to this one here. What is this? I'm guessing, okay, oh wow, so that's all the intercooler pipe works. Nice blue colours with it. That's the material. That's pretty sick, that is. That it's already popping and banging already. Okay, that's pretty cool. A few connectors again, a few more pipes. Nice piece of kit this is. Nice max speeding rods. I'm really pleased with this. Good quality products. This, it's pretty heavy this is. When I first got it out, I don't even know what it is. Let's have a look. Oh, ooh, beautiful. So this, I'm guessing, is the wastegate pressure, and these are the connectors. A few other bits and bolts that comes with it. Pretty heavy this is for a wastegate. Jeez, that is heavy. I'm pretty sure the springs needs to be adjusted on these, but still, what a nice piece of kit. Forgive me if I can't explain everything fully because I'm all new to this. I've never boosted a car before in my entire life. So this is like crazy this is. And right, the final thing, let's open this up. Oh, I should have opened this ready for you guys, to be honest. Oh, it's going to take forever. Let me try this saw out. There we go. Alright, check this out. Max speeding rods, gaskets, don't want to lose these very important things. Okay, ho ho hoi, hoi, woi, ZY801969. I don't know what that means, but woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. This is the turbo. Look at it hanging off my hand. Jeez, it's heavy. It's a turd. What else is it coming? Nothing else in there. Well protected, this piece of kit is. Alright, let me get it out. Oh, what heavy this is. Oh my god. This is humongous, big turbo. Look how big it is. Look at that adapter plate. It's clean. It's brand new. Look how big it is. Jeez. Let's spin it. Woohoo! Look at it. It's sick. That is sick. God, it's bigger than the Skyline Turbo if you look at it. Jeez, let's take this out. I'm guessing this turbo, it's not gonna go right here because it's not a sidewinder manifold that came with the kit. I'm guessing it's gonna get connected right behind there by the manifold, so it's gonna sit right behind there like that, but facing that way. And there it is. We're finally gonna be boosting the Type R. How crazy is this? You know what, I gotta compare that with the Skyline, because that is no joke of a turbo, that is. Let's get this one open again. Oh, it's a bit wet. We actually, I know the last couple of videos with the Skyline, with the POV drives, taking Jason out, oh man, it was sick, that was. And we're going to be taking this in a drag strip in about 2 weeks time on the 5th of June. Jap Show Light, so we're going to be taking this car on Jap Show Light, so we're just going to do a few more bits. We've actually cleaned this car out, it's looking mint. Even inside the car we've cleaned it all out because we're going to be taking it back to tuners to diagnose the engine light and get that sorted. We're going to get the cam back changed. A lot of people, thank you to everybody dropping comments down below about, you know, approving for the cam back to be changed, because it's got 700 brake horsepower. When it blows up, because the cam back wasn't changed, it'll be 0 brake horsepower. So really appreciate everybody, you know, pushing hard on me to get that done, and we're going to get that done definitely. But apart from that, you know, I just gave this car a quick little detail, and that's how the car's looking now. Pretty nice and neat. Gave it a bit of wash in between the arches as well, so it's looking very nice and clean inside. So yeah, so let's get that turbo. Let's get this turbo. I'm also going to be doing some road test in the Skyline. We're going to be gonna get some new tires, because obviously these tires are fully gone, and a lot of you say when you're going to get some new tires. These are at its last life. I'm going to do some burnouts and videos that are going to be uploaded after this video of the boosted Type R. There'll be some more videos, and the charity event video that's going to be uploaded. But let's get straight to it. So look at the difference. Oh my god, let's sit that right there. Just look at the difference. It's literally similar size turbo. It's crazy right there, but look at that. Honestly, it's a massive turbo. It's the size is the same as the Skyline. That's GTX35 AR as well. See that and that? It's literally very identical. It's a twin turbo RB26 now. But yeah, wow, what an amazing piece of kit. So, you know, we're going to be boosting the Civic Type R, and that's it. So we're going to get to work. I know this will be the first video of Type R getting boosted, but the installation ain't going to happen till about another 2 weeks time before we get prepping the Skyline for the drag strip. That's going to take about a week or two, so you won't see any more installation videos of the Type R. Probably like bits and mods for the Type R, but at the moment this will be the first ever video of boosting the Type R K20 EP3, and then probably 2 weeks time they will start working on the Type R, and you know, that'll be very exciting. But I just want to give you guys a bit of a heads up of what we're doing with the Type R, and that's it. So yeah, here it is. So again, big shout out to Max Speeding Rods for the sponsoring the turbo kit for us. There's a description down below, all the information. Hit them up, and if you want to get their product, there's also a discount code right here. You know, get straight to them, hit them up, and you know, I can't wait to be working with them again, because they'll also be you know, providing all sorts of stuff. I'm getting all sorts of mods from Max Speeding Rods, because they're going to be with us for a long time. So big shout to them, Max Speeding Rods, Jack. And that's it really. So we're on for another adventure, and I'm looking forward for this build, because it's going to be one of the best builds we're doing on the channel. And it's thanks to all you guys supporting the channel, and always, you know, commenting, liking the videos, sharing it out. And it's, you know, it's picking up, and you know, we're just going to give it back, and hopefully this is going to be a sick build for the Civic Type R EP3. So yeah, so you know, I think I'm gonna have to end the video there. I don't know what else to say, but to get working with the car. But it's going to be in 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time, shall I say. But you know, this is it. This is the start of the journey for the EP3 Civic Type R. So yeah, so drop a comment down below what you guys think about the boosting. Is it still going ahead? What you guys think, or should I go NA with the Type R? But you know, it's gonna go boosted, and that's the decision that we made. Yeah, drop a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, or what I should be doing, or how to fit the turbo kit, or should I get a sidewinder manifold so it sits right there, relocate the battery to the back, and also have to get change the oil pan to a racing one for the, because obviously I've done a bit of digging information about how to boost the Type R, and there's quite a few things to do. I have to get a new downpipe. It's got to be 3 inch. The exhaust might have to be changed because it's about 2.5 inch, so it's going to restrict a bit of power. So we're gonna have to go 2.75 or 3 inch exhaust kit, and then we have to get an ECU, which might be a K-Pro or Honda Vert ECU, and bits and bobs to change the inlet to go for a Skunk 2 one instead, and a few other bits and bobs. There's lots of things I need to put into progress with this. I'm turning American now, of getting this boosted. And you know, you guys can drop a comment down below and guide me through it. but I'm going to be digging around all over the place, asking people I've already boosted their Type Rs, and even probably if anybody has got boosted Type R, you know, DM me on my Instagram right here. I'd love to come and see it and be in a passenger seat and just being in a boosted Type R, just see how it's like. I know Crossy's video right here was a supercharged Civic Type R, and that was crazy. I mean, he's a crazy driver, but that was a big insight for me with EP3 Type Rs. But I really want to be inside a boosted Type R, so hit me up, you know, it'll be pretty sick link up. And probably might do a Type R link up soon. Every Type R link up, we'll go for a Candro highway race, pulls and tunnels, and make some VTEC noise. So anyways, may the Almighty peace and blessings upon each and every one of you and your family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.